If you're just starting out with affiliate marketing and want to make some serious bank promoting high-ticket products, I feel you. It can definitely seem really overwhelming and confusing at first if you don't know where to start it. But listen up, it doesn't have to be so scary. With some simple, easy-to-follow steps, you can put together a solid affiliate marketing plan to absolutely crush it in the big leagues. Now, the number one most important thing here is to find a big-ticket product that you genuinely believe in and get super excited about promoting. Don't just pick one because of the high commissions. You need to make sure it truly provides tremendous value and solves a major pain point or struggle for your target audience. Something you'd be pumped to tell all your friends about. Before creating any content or doing any promotion, you need to dive deep into your target audience and really understand them. Learn all about their hopes, fears, goals, and biggest struggles. Immerse yourself completely in their world so you can communicate with them authentically in a way that truly resonates on a human level. Pretty much, get to know them like you're your best friend. Once you've done your homework and really gotten to know your audience inside and out, it's time to start creating some incredibly useful content that establishes your authority and expertise by providing massive value. Share your own personal story and journey in a super relatable, human way. Vulnerability and authenticity are key here. The mindset you want to have is focusing on serving your audience without expecting anything in return. Build trust and nurture relationships over time. This is what will ultimately lead to your long-term financial success. It's a marathon, not a sprint. No matter what, be consistent and stick with your affiliate marketing strategy for the long haul. Make sure to track your results closely so you can maximize your earnings by doubling down on what works and tweaking what doesn't. Even as a total beginner, you absolutely can do this. Just take it step by step and always focus on serving your audience above all else. The income and rewards will follow. I believe in you. Let me know if you have any other questions. I'm always happy to provide guidance and support to help you succeed wildly with high-ticket affiliate marketing. Make sure you check out the MAP Syndicate link below to learn how you can make more high-ticket commissions.